Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate picture of your Samsung TV. Your picture will show upside down due to two reasons. One is if you change the settings in the service menu, and the other is if you change the panel of your TV. So I will show you how to fix this. Watch the video complete, don't skip any part. Subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Like the video if this helps. You are watching that the display of our this Samsung TV is upside down. So first of all you have to power it off from the remote. Then you have to press the following key combination: info, menu, mute and power key without any pause. Info, menu, mute and power key. The TV will boot up in service menu. You are watching that the service menu is displayed. Many people will say that this code doesn't work. So I will share a video link in the description having 8 different codes of Samsung TV to open the service menu. The other procedure is same. Just you have to open its service menu. Now open the first option, which is option. Then go to MRT option. Also this is different for different models. So you have to search for it. MRT option. Select it and then scroll down to HV flip option. Here it is on second number. Select it from the enter button or OK button. Now press right arrow from the remote to toggle it on off. You are watching that our display is now OK. The picture problem has been fixed. Now our picture rotation setting is OK. Like the video if this helps. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.